Is going to make Nolan come early.
Is that the plan?
Yeah, she's gonna be so surprised. Okay. Are you decent?
Yeah.
We can come in? Oh, you're having a baby. Where's Nolan?
This is her sister Kaylee, who she hasn't seen in almost 2 years.
Oh my goodness. Oh. It's been
Well,
so hard to keep that secret.
Will you bring on labor now? So you remember when I did it? Do you remember when I did it to you?
It's been so hard. I feel like such a deceptive brat.
So
That's wonderful.
I had to keep 2 secrets from you though. When your mother came down in Edmonton, and when your sister came down today. No more secrets for me to keep.
So you'll be here for the week then too? Yeah. Oh, I'm here next week. That's why I was like, oh, I couldn't take 2 weeks off. I couldn't come with mom and dad. I couldn't take 2 whole weeks.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, we never really lied.
We
But we
just,
just were very, very
Wow.
sketchy with filling in details.
That's wonderful.